Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying the game build and region because M117 Guardian spawn conditions depend on version and map cycle. Next, equip a tracker and low noise gear. This reduces false detections and keeps you stealthy. Assign roles: scout to sweep corridors, overwatch to cover high ground, extractor to secure the item, so you know who reacts when a ping appears. Once done, deploy map markers and start the first sweep on the known spawn ring. Move fast but methodical. You now focus on narrowing the Guardian's location by triangulating signals from multiple positions. This tells you bearing and distance. Move in controlled bursts. Clear rooms with vertical checks. Look at vents, ledges, and roof lines because the Guardian often hides above sight lines. If the target isn't immediate, force respawn triggers by activating nearby interact points or timed doors to reset spawn logic. Once you have visual, coordinate a soft engagement to avoid destroying. You finish by securing and extracting the M117 Guardian safely. Use smoke or cover, stagger exits, and keep one teammate on overwatch. Prioritize the asset over kills. If you don't find a spawn, reset your session or change game mode and wait a full map cycle because spawn flags often clear only after reloads. If tracking still fails, recalibrate the tracker at a known beacon and retest signal behavior. One troubleshooting tip: verify region and build again. Mismatches are the most common hidden blocker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.